In front of me is Asus ZenFone 12 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner, and to add your photos, click on them here. If you can't find them, you can always select folders, tap on a chosen one, and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!